Well, let's see what Pelsee has to offer. What's going on, guys? This is in the block in the garage with this Pelsee jump start air compressor, and we're going to unbox this thing and review it. This video is sponsored by, thank you all for sending me this awesome accessory. I'm going to go ahead and check this thing out. So before we open it up, it says this thing features a jump start for dead vehicle batteries, inflate tires, basketballs, etc., large capacity powerful battery bank, and 4 modes of an LED light, and more to explore. So let's find out what this thing's about. Oh yeah, always use PPE. Now before I go any further, they are offering a discount code and a sale for this item. Has a very nice carrying case, as you see here. Pretty cool. Oh, that's nice. So in the top portion of the case, we have a user manual, warranty upgrade card. We've got some air fittings, a USB charger, and an air hose, as well as an adapter for the jump pack. Got some cables there. It's pretty nice. This is the unit down on the bottom side. Slide that out. That is pretty sweet. So it has PSI, kPa, kilograms per centimeter squared. Very cool. Has some other modes here. So automotive, if you got a car or a truck. Here's looks like a motorcycle, bicycle, and for some sort of sports ball, basketball, volleyball, etc. Does have a built-in light. Press and hold the button to turn light on and off. A couple different light modes. It's got a red flashing light for emergencies. That's cool. We'll go ahead and check that light out outside while it's dark. And let's see, we also have, this is the port for your jump box here on the side. That plugs into there. The hose goes in at the top for inflation. And also at the top you'll notice there is a power bank, so you can charge or recharge your USB devices. Pretty handy, pretty handy. Alright, let's take the thing outside and see how bright it is with it being dark out. And then I'm going to put it on the charge overnight, and then we will do an inflation test and also a jump test of the battery booster. Alright, I am outside on the property, and as you can see, it is dark. I'm standing by a pile of lumber. The only thing out tonight is the moon, and that is it. So a little bit of ambient moonlight, but you can see it's pretty dark out here. I'm going to turn the light on. And you can see it lights up pretty well. There is no flash on the camera. You can see the bugs flying around the light there. So that is pretty handy. It's a lot brighter in person than maybe showing up on camera, but yeah, you definitely can see pretty well. And yeah, well, you can see how bright it is. So I gave the light a pass, especially if you're like underneath the hood of the vehicle, if you're on the side of the road, have a flat tire or something like that. Definitely very handy. Well, that's no good. Looks like I got a low tire on the Chevelle. Let me grab the air inflator and let's see if we can air this tire up. You can definitely see the tire is flat down there. And for my naysayers, it's flat. So here's the air inflator, the air hose. The orange side attaches to the top of the unit, like so. So get up and see what our pressure looks like. We're going to switch over to PSI. Let's see. We're going to take it down to about 32 pounds. Press the power button. Press and hold. Confirming the air pressure here. And it's right there at about 31, 32 psi, so that's good. Well, it won't start, battery's down. I gotta move it in the shop because I gotta replace a window regulator. So we're gonna see if the Pelsee will jump off this little SUV. Let's give it a shot. So after inflating a tire and jumping off a vehicle, we only lost one of the 4 bars of the battery, so that's pretty impressive. Well, that concludes the review of this Pelsee automotive, I will say, save your behind pack. So this works as a battery booster, which you just saw. It works as a tire inflator. It also has a light on it, which we also demonstrated. And you have a built-in power bank for additional powered devices, which is definitely really cool. And I will say, it turned over the engine faster than the battery ever had, so I probably have a bad battery. So even with a battery that was weak, in this case completely dead, this was still able to jump the vehicle off. So definitely handy. It's pretty small. I mean, it's not huge by any means. Pretty good size, but not too big you can't store it somewhere in your vehicle. Comes with a carrying case. Also has your ability to jump vehicles off, as I stated earlier, the inflator, where you just program what air pressure you want and use that, and then also the emergency light. And it also has a high white, low white, and a red flashing light for emergencies. Well, thank you for sending this awesome device for me to review. I would say out of 4 wrenches, I will give this one 3 wrenches. The reason it didn't get a perfect score was because of the limited capacity of airing up a tire. If you had a truck, it may be able to get you maybe down the road. Not sure what the maximum air capacity of this device is, but that's about the only thing that I would say is a little bit short. But if you've got a typical passenger car or small SUV, this is completely fine. If you got a big truck with 44s or something on it, you probably need your own air tank anyway. This is probably enough to get you off the rim and get you to the closest repair shop, provided you hadn't knocked a big hole in your tire. Other than that, I mean, I think this is a really good device. There is a discount code below. I'll put those details on the screen here for you, and I think it's worth the buy, especially if you're a mother, you got kids, and you're always going to school or gymnastics or ballet or dance or whatever the extracurricular activities are. This is a great thing to have in your vehicle. If you have a dead battery, you can boost it off real quickly. If you've got a low tire, you can air it up, or if you just can't find your flashlight, it also does that too. My name's Erwin. This 3 Wheels in a Block. We're giving back what time has taken away. We'll see you soon.